House of Art.
Today's groundbreaking paves the way for construction to officially begin on Mona's historic renovation, restoration, and expansion project. Our exciting plans call for carefully restoring our beautiful 1911 building, while also adding 23,000 square feet of new gallery, exhibition, and public gathering spaces.
It's exciting to be here for this groundbreaking and expansion. As Nicole mentioned, the legislature established Mona back in 1979. And so Mona serves the role of really housing Nebraska art. Art inspires, it helps us remember. It is one of those things that really captures the spirit of our state and our soul. This really pulled together a lot of the great things about what we think about with art in our state and really give us something that we can all be very proud of.
In our community, art and recs and culture are many years, it's our single biggest budget item. We spend a lot of time and money because that defines our community, and I think that's important. This plays right into that.
We started with 30 pieces of artwork, and we now have nearly 6,000. As you can imagine, this building, while it was renovated in 1993, no longer has the capacity for exhibiting the current artwork that is in our collection. It doesn't have the capacity to store what we have. And, I'm pleased to report to you that we've exceeded the 70% goal that we set to begin breaking ground and building. So stay tuned for when we enter the public phase of this fabulous effort. And in the meantime, we stand today on the brink of an exciting future for the Museum of Nebraska Art.